Hi, I'm Simon Gifford, Chief Exec of Mashauri, and this is a short video to tell you about what we're doing and why we're doing it. There's a desperate need to equip all students with entrepreneurial skills. And when I say all, I mean not just students of business, but across all disciplines, faculties, and departments. And there are a multitude of forces that are pushing this agenda, but the main ones are, first of all, economies, local and national, need to create more businesses and more jobs. Whether you're in Africa, Europe, or India, most countries are looking to boost their new business creation levels. And even at a more local level, communities are looking to universities and colleges to play their role in development and upliftment. Secondly, students should be given the opportunity to create their own careers based on their passions and their competencies. Millennials in particular are looking to make a positive impact in the world and would rather work at something where they felt they were doing that, rather than clawing their way up some corporate ladder. Thirdly, there's a push from parents and students to equip the graduates with 21st century competencies that will allow them to face the challenges and the opportunities facing them when they leave the institution. And finally, research has shown that students who have obtained an entrepreneurial mindset are more employable and make better employees. The way they look at opportunity, the way they address problems, their attitude to risk, their levels of initiative, all these things are valuable competencies that corporates are looking for in their new employees. So if the need is so great, why is this not happening or not happening to a large extent? Why are universities not addressing the challenge? Certainly there are some universities who are doing a great job at this, but generally initiatives tend to be a little bit sporadic and ad hoc. Partly the challenge is that imbuing students with an entrepreneurial mindset is not something that can be taught in class in the traditional manner. Just as you cannot learn to swim in a library, neither can you learn to be an entrepreneur by sitting in a classroom. It must be an experiential journey where ideas are developed and tested, failure is tested and tasted, and success is earned through application, not through mere studying. And most universities are not set up to do this, or at least not at scale. There are a limited number of professors with the training and the entrepreneurial experience who can offer this type of education. And furthermore, universities are hamstrung by their structures, and so multidisciplinary cross-faculty initiatives are still the exception rather than the rule. Mashauri have recognized the need and the challenge and put together a platform that can support higher education institutions in offering experiential entrepreneurial education to their students at scale and across any or all faculties. Using principles from accelerators and incubators, tapping into best practice entrepreneurial training and tools, and harnessing the power of digital teaching methods, we're able to allow universities to offer such programs at both a low cost and with limited teaching resource. In addition, the time between the decision to run such a program and implementation can be measured in weeks. The platform has been developed such that it's customizable for each institution and the needs of each cohort of students who enter the program. Furthermore, through studying the data that is created and captured through the system, we're able to continually refine and improve the modules to obtain better and better outcomes. We recognize that the Mashauri offering is somewhat unique, and we happily admit that we're learning ourselves as we implement programs around the world. And for that reason, we're seeking institutions to work with us more as partners than customers, to help us co-create programs that work for their institution. And if you're one of those universities or even a college or school, please get in contact with me for a discussion at simon.gifford@mashauri.org. Finally, some acknowledgement to those photographers whose images we used in the presentation, duly noted on this slide. And just to end with a re-emphasis of our mission is to create tomorrow's entrepreneurs today. And if that's something that resonates with you, then let us see how we might work together to deliver on that promise. Thank you. I look forward to talking to you in the near future.